We are going to take a look at a Ruvo number 855 SPL hopper-fed casing saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Ruvo 855 SPL is a hopper-fed trim saw. It will accommodate trim from 3.5 inches wide and from 15 to 96 inches long. It has one 3,450 RPM 1 horsepower saw motor and one 23,000 RPM router per side. The saw blades pneumatically shift from 45 to 90 degrees, while the hopper will hold up to 3 bundles of trim.